Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So today I have another Dollar Tree video for you guys. I was so excited to see how much you guys enjoyed the first one I uploaded, and you all really liked seeing the shop with me and the haul. So I'm going to keep on going with this series, and if you guys missed the first episode, I will link it down below. But as you know, I'm not able to go into TJ Maxx and Marshalls right now because they're closed. And to replace that and have a shopping video for you guys that would still be fun and affordable, I decided to go into Dollar Tree and see what I could find, and it has been so much fun. I am loving shopping there and seeing everything that I can buy for only $1. They have such good stuff, you guys. Like, I'm really enjoying everything that I'm getting from there. Of course, not everything is good, but I really am liking finding those hidden gems, and I'm excited to share them with you guys. So I went to like 3 different Dollar Trees over the past week and a half. So I'm gonna take you guys on a shop with me. I went back to my favorite Dollar Tree. A lot of you guys commented that your Dollar Trees didn't look like that. There is a specific one that I like to go to because it is always stocked up, it's always clean, it's really big and just so nice, and just like such a treat to shop there. The shelves are always full and they always have new items, so I am super grateful that I have that store to go to and share with you guys. So if you guys want to find out what I found this week at the Dollar Tree, please keep watching. I have one item that I will show you in the haul. It's not in the shopping part, but it's in the haul, and it is, oh my goodness, I am so excited about it. It's really, really cool. Okay, so let's get on into it. If you guys want to find out what I found at Dollar Tree this week, please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. I'm going to do a lot more different Dollar Tree videos, so definitely stay tuned. Hit the little bell down below so you guys don't miss out on my future videos, and let's get on into it. So the first thing I found were these little pineapple bath bombs. I thought they were so cute. And then I also found this Blistack Orange Mango Blast Lip Balm. Then they had all these really cute Dollar Tree lemon items. So they had little towels, oven mitts. So fun. They had bowls, plates, mugs, cups, all with the same lemon pattern, which is really nice if you like this kind of like farmhouse style for summer. And that is the mug. So cute. Then I found some beauty items. They had these body sprays. There was a rose one, a mango one, and they also had the matching rose and coconut shower gel. And I also found these black charcoal bath bombs. Then I found LA Colors eye markers. They had the blue one and a black one. That one was really cute. And they also had these duo eyeshadow pencils. And I'm just showing you guys another shade. Then I found these LA Colors face primers. So they had color correcting ones. So this one, they had a pink one. They had this green one for redness. So I'm curious to try those. And they also had some loose powders. That is the medium shade. Then they had this jasmine and orange blossom line from Bolero. And they had a face wash. They had an eye cream, the face serum. It does have mineral oil in it though, which I feel like would break out a lot of people. So just beware about that. But they also had this face cream as well. I did pick up one of these items. And I thought these were so fun, these glittery beach balls. So you could really see the glitter when I show you guys what it looks like on the other side. But how fun if you have a pool or for the beach. And they also had these glow stick ones, which I thought were so fun if you have a pool, maybe you go in at nighttime. And then they had these really cute pineapple and seashell plates. Will be really cute for a summer party. And they had some really fun like gingham and patriotic scarves, little infinity scarves. And I loved these little heart chalkboard tags in the crafting section. These were adorable. And they had some patches that I wanted to show you guys that I hadn't seen before. Some little mini glass containers. And they had these craft bead storage containers. If you like making bracelets, you can put anything in those. Alright guys, and I forgot to say this, but I do have to do voiceovers because I'm wearing a mask when I go into the store. So I can't talk to you guys on camera like I usually do. And I did film those on my phone because my vlog camera, the screen is broken. So hopefully everything looked fine. Let's get into the haul. I will share with you guys what I got at Dollar Tree this week. Okay, the first two items I got, you guys are gonna laugh at me, but I saw these and I was like, yes, I want to get these. I got two badminton rackets. I got a red one and a blue one so me and Nick could play outside. I don't know too much about badminton, but I did play back in high school. Like every semester or every few weeks we would like rotate things that we did, and one of the things we did was play badminton, and I always really enjoyed it. It was probably like one of my only favorite things I liked about gym class in high school. Everything else I could not stand. Running the mile I was terrible at. I'm not very sportsy kind of person. I always enjoyed playing badminton. Just like an easy, fun game to play, and I actually got the little birdies that go along with it, which I will show you guys. These are the little badminton birdies. By the way, sorry if the lighting goes in and out. The sun keeps changing. So there's that. But these are the badminton birdies, and you hit this little part right here, and I had thought this was so fun. They give you 6 in here. So if you guys are interested, you want to play a little light sport, definitely check these out. So basically, to get all these, $3 all together. I thought that was really neat. Okay, I bought a couple things for a video I'm going to do soon. It's going to be involving like a lemonade stand. So I got these paper straws. Now, I am not really a fan of paper straws because the way they like disintegrate when you are drinking out of your cup or whatever, it's just really for show. So I got these. They have pineapples on them, but what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the pineapple part off and use these. I thought they were so cute because they had the yellow stripes on them. So these are also another seasonal item, so I wanted to grab these before they sold out, because I did notice, although this Dollar Tree is always well stocked, a lot of stuff that I showed you guys from last week, say like those gingham towels that I got, those were already sold out. So people are snatching things up really quick. But anyways, they had a couple different colors, but I wanted to get these specifically because they're yellow and it will match my whole lemonade thing that I'm going to be doing soon. Next, this is just like a silly little find. I got these deli baskets, which look like something you would find at like a fast food restaurant. So I thought these would be cool for french fries. So a lot of times what we'll do is we'll cut out sweet potatoes and make french fries out of them, or I'll get like a bag of french fries from Trader Joe's. And I thought this would be kind of neat to put them in. Maybe we just line it with some parchment paper. And you get, let's see, you get 4 in here. So these are also good for if you're grilling, if you're having a barbecue, 4th of July. We don't have a grill or anything here, but I thought these would just be fun for random things that we cook. And I found these, which you guys saw in the shopping part. These are chalkboard tags with jute cord, and they have the little like dashed line around the heart. These are so cute. I could not pass these up. These are great if you say are doing a gift for someone, or maybe even I was thinking if you have bridesmaids and you were making them little bags and you would write their name on these with chalk, and you like this kind of farmhouse style like I do. Or just anything, if you're giving someone a gift, you could write a baby's name on it for a baby shower, wedding shower, honestly, anything. These are adorable. I don't know what I'm going to use them for, but I had to get them, so I'm just going to keep them in my craft box until I find something to use them for. This is something else I got for my little lemonade thing that I'm going to be doing. It's in the craft section. It's just this little plain wood crate. I'm going to paint it with white acrylic paint or something like that. I just couldn't find the white paint. It's out of stock at Walmart, Dollar Tree. So eventually when I get the paint, I'm going to paint this. But how adorable is this? You could use this for anything, honestly. Once it's painted, you can do a little stencil on it. You can add anything to it. One of those little hearts would be really cute on this. Next up, I got for a DIY project. So this is like a little summer hanging thing, and I really got it because I'm going to cut the strawberry off and use this for a project. So I saw someone made this little like strawberry patch thing from the Dollar Tree. I'll put the picture of it here. She made a really cute strawberry patch summer themed little guy, and I thought it was adorable. So I got this to add on to mine, and then to go along with that, this is what she used. It's this paddle cutting board. So this is the base for the little summer themed strawberry project. So eventually I'm gonna make what she made and kind of just put my own spin on it. But I thought it was so cute, so I wanted to pick up this. So these go together. It will kind of just sit on here. I think I'm gonna paint the inside white and put Strawberry Farm, like how she had it. Yeah, you could do so many fun crafts with things from the Dollar Tree. You kind of have to just think outside the box or get inspiration from other people who are posting crafts, because I am obsessed with watching Dollar Tree crafts. I see something and I'm like, I need to get everything to make that immediately. Like, they are so much fun. People do really creative stuff. Next, I was so excited about this. I got this jute twine, 3 rolls. This is actually in the hardware section, believe it or not. So I was actually running out of my twine. I'm like on the last little bit. So I was really thrilled to see these in the hardware section for only $1. I use twine for literally so many different things. Crafts, projects, tying things, anything. This is perfect if you like anything farmhouse. You will constantly be using this in your crafts, and this also is going to be on the little strawberry thing I'm going to be making. Also, go along with that project, I got this ribbon. It's the same one that the girl from Instagram used. It's this burlap polka dot ribbon, and it just goes really nice with the whole red strawberry theme, and you can use it of course for anything else, presents, crafts, any other things like that. Then I got these from the crafting section. They have that new line called Crafter's Square. So these are squeeze applicator bottles. So they're smaller than the bigger ones, but I actually got these because I'm going to be doing some bleaching to some vintage distressed t-shirts, and I want to try that out and see how it comes out. So that's what I got these for, because you do half bleach, half water, and then you twist the shirt, put the rubber bands, which, oh my gosh, I forgot to get the rubber bands. But anyways, that's how you do it, and I'm really excited to try that out. Then I got this. This is from their new lemon line. They have mugs, cups, towels, they have oven mitts, and then I got this bowl because I just thought it was absolutely adorable. So I'm gonna of course wash it before I use it, but this is gonna go along with my lemon stand. I wanted to get the clear cups, but they weren't at the store I went to. But how cute is this? I love lemons. I got 2 makeup items. So I got this LA Colors Slim Felt Tip Eye Marker. I love these kinds of pens, so I wanted to get this for, hopefully I will do a Dollar Tree makeup tutorial, so grabbed that. And then I also already use this because I filmed an Instagram tutorial with it, but this Bolero Jasmine and Orange Blossom paper face mask. This was amazing. It worked just as well as any other face mask I've tried that was over $4, $5. It felt so nice on my skin. I popped it in my freezer for about 10 minutes before I used it. So refreshing. Highly recommend checking these out. This is a great brand, Bolero. Okay, next I got another thing for my little lemonade stand. I'm going to be doing this little jar. I thought it was really cute. You can put anything in this. Chocolate chips, sugar, salt, you name it. You could even put some little chalk tag on here, tie it around the top. The little heart that we bought before would be really cute, and it looks like something you would honestly find at Walmart for like $5, $6. So these are great. I love the glassware that Dollar Tree is carrying. They have a lot of really cute containers. This I got to do some sort of tutorial on my Instagram. So this is the Whispers Silicone Blender. You guys know when these came out, the silly sponge or whatever. You know, these don't work really well, but I thought it would be fun for applying a mask or something on Instagram. So I picked it up. This is another thing I picked up. It's a little sponge from Color Me. It's like a little tiny mini sponge. Just wanted to test out more products, applicator, really anything from Dollar Tree. I'm just testing everything out that I find that's interesting. Little sponge brushes, because I'm going to be doing some sort of craft of some sort from the Dollar Tree, and I saw a lot of people using these. So pick these up. These are also from Crafter's Square, and you get 6 of these inside. These come in really handy for DIY projects. Oh, and I forgot one thing. This LA Colors, whoop, there's a cat hair, lip scrub. So this kind of reminded me of the e.l.f. one that I like. It has the little exfoliating pieces inside. This is in the scent Fresh. It looks maybe like lemon. So I'll have to try this out. Oh, pineapple. Okay, so it's a pineapple lip scrub. So I'm excited to try this. That's what it looks like. Okay, and the last item I picked up is the item I told you guys I was so excited about. I got 2 of these. I found the cutest, look at these, glass mugs, which I've been seeing all over Instagram, and on Amazon they retail for $16 and up, $20 for a pack of say like 4. So I was shocked when I saw these. They are so pretty. Again, gonna wash them. They're just so fun. Like, how cool would this be to drink your dalgona coffee, your matcha coffee, whatever, matcha tea, any sort of tea would look so pretty in here. So I kept seeing these all over Instagram stories, and I'm just seeing now there's a little tiny nick right there, but you can't really see it. And of course they're only $1, so I can always go grab some more, but I could not believe that I found these. Like, how neat are these? I was gonna get these from Amazon, so I was really excited about it. So definitely, if you guys find these, pick them up. They are beautiful. They look beautiful in photos on Instagram, and they're just so cool. So that is it for my Dollar Tree shop with me and haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you did. Give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found anything cool at Dollar Tree this week, let me know. And that is it. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!